Gonna zoom in and take some notes on my system here. So we have multi SIB control running some graphing, and I just wanted to point out how the system is working. So what you're seeing here is spikes in the green are the solar production, and the blue is the power consumption of the air conditioner. So you can see how they're peaking. That's because the battery is entirely full and the solar only kicks on to run the mini split air conditioner. So that's why we have those spikes. Now you can see that green goes down to 0 at this timeline right here. And then this is the amount of power that's necessary to keep the system running all night. You can see it kind of spikes up and off. And then you can see this green linear spike here. This is during today, which is a nice sunny day, and we're getting more and more wattage, and then it just falls flat off. And that's because the battery is 100% full, and it's actually cutting down that voltage so that we can start to just trickle charge the battery by putting like maybe 100 watts or something into it, just to keep it completely topped off and to run all the static loads like the refrigerator, the air filtration system, the water filtration system, etc. So that's actually what you can see there. And if I zoom in onto this area here, you'll see where we are looking exactly the same as here, where the spikes in PV are only directly related to the consumption of the solar, or rather the mini split. So as soon as that mini split shuts off, our solar production is going to drop down. So that's just keeping us at 100%, even though we are pulling roughly 1100 watts. It's around, this is incorrect time, which is why my time scale is off here, but it is actually closer to around 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So this is working really well and just shows how the system is staying 100% charged, even running the air conditioner when it's unoccupied. And that's really what you want to see. So if you do ever leave this thing for a day, since you're not cooking any food, you're not running any additional lighting or power tools or all the other things that I tend to do, then you're just at 100%. But even when you're living in it, it's always full. I'm doing this tracking and I haven't really seen the battery capacity dip below 50% yet. And that's a really promising number, because that means that we can really push the system and take it to more extreme environments. And I really hope we get a chance to do that.